In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule and automatically send reports to Slack in Julius. If you want your insights to show up in Slack without lifting a finger each time, this walkthrough is for you. We'll start from an analysis you've already built in Julius and set it to run on a schedule, send to Slack, and include just the context your team needs. Begin by opening the analysis you want to share. Think of this as the source of truth your report will use every time it runs. With the analysis on screen, look for the option to schedule it. The scheduling panel is where you define when Julius should run the analysis on its own. Choose a frequency that matches your workflow. For example, daily is great for fast-moving campaigns, while weekly or monthly suits performance summaries and stakeholder updates. The key is to pick the cadence that ensures your audience gets information when they can act on it. Next, select Slack Report as the delivery method. This tells Julius to post your results directly into Slack so your team doesn't have to open another tool to stay informed. It's a simple way to keep updates visible where conversations already happen. You'll now choose the Slack channel where the report should appear. Pick the space your intended audience uses most, whether that's a project channel, a leadership updates channel, or a team space. Keeping reports in a dedicated channel helps ensure they don't get lost and makes it easy for everyone to find past posts when they need a quick reference. Before saving, customize the report's title and content. A clear title helps your teammates immediately recognize what they're looking at, like a campaign name or a time frame. In the content area, provide a short, helpful summary of what's most important. You can call out the key metric, a brief trend, or the insight your team should pay attention to. Keep it concise but meaningful, so readers can scan quickly and know what changed or why it matters. When everything looks right, save your setup. From here, Julius will automatically run the report on the schedule you set and post it in the Slack channel you selected. You won't need to trigger anything manually. Your updates will arrive consistently and reliably. That's all it takes. Open your analysis, set the schedule, choose Slack report, pick the channel, customize the title and content, and save. With that, you've turned your analysis into an automated, shareable report your team will actually see and use.